The most unserious husband, Elysian, boy son. Shopping snacks. So we're back from the shops. Let me do a quick grocery haul. Mnyenam ndithi ba baby, ngicela ukhuphe iplastic ezirayithi. Ungakhuphe iplastic ezimnyama nezinjanjana ezinjanjana. Khuphe iplastic zegrocery what undithembe ndikhuphe iplastic ezirayithi. Only for him to take out these plastics zama-China nee-plastic zo-sports in for grocery. Why sinee-plastic ezingakho ii-plastic zakwa-Pick n Pay qha because yakwa-Pick n Pay kanye akho Pick n Pay no Checkers. But ke as long as zifitha izinto, let's do this. Okay, quick haul of everything I bought. Let's start with the frozen stuff. Nuggets, chicken strips, cheese grillers, ice cream. You know me, I ice cream. Uthi sayithanda Oreo crusher ne Magnum ne Slash. So if snalena, we're gonna buy less of those, which means a sense last month there's 10 Magnums eziphuma ziyi-5 now 6 or whatever. Yeah, because ngabantu be-ice cream, cereal, all brand, juice basically sale be-40 rand. Wraps sisigqibele kudala siyazitya zisibhora. Chips, we enjoyed them last time, so sesaqonda masizithenga again. Ilanyanza lasagna sheets, potatoes, sana, mushroom sauce, hug in a mug. I'm trying to be as quick as possible. Granola, pasta, avos, oats, my least favorite thing at the moment. Butternut. Then we have these two sauces. We do have a 6-pack of milk. We're a family of 2, but sana a 6-pack iyasonela. Funny thing, we got these last for like 2 months. Let's see. If I do mouthwash, easy. There's 6 of them. This lena ndingumntu womqolo, but I bought this one specifically for umakhulu wam. Zaphinda ndizithengele mna. These are cleaning supplies. Ezinye zisekhona. Cosmetics, I think. Hayibo sana ba-rebrandile, ba-repackagile. Toothpaste ikhona eyi-1 ibishiyekile. Then nansi like 3. Shoe polish, these and this. Basically that's all we bought, and it was 2.1 something, almost 2.2. This is not everything esidlangoyithenga, but sana still isabiza. Oh, and I got these was Puma grocer as a snack. Thank you, bye. This is me. Oh, I need to change this now. On my way to self-care. I'll ask my niece to take a picture. My little pipe. I'm running a bit late, guys. I remove nails zam funa ndiyozenza azisembi. Done with the treatment bendisozela ndingasindilale sana why into zalapha zingekho cute ibathroom yalapha ayikho cute. Time to eat then ndigoduke ngasendike ndilale and watch YouTube. Andikhabe ukwenza anything ngasendiqhutyelwe to go back home even. Morning guys, sana ndibuya kwi-solo date. I went to a spa, ndaya kwenye market. That market sana, you are spoiled for choice. Kukho every types of food, drinks, alcoholic, non-alcoholic. Initially I was going to another restaurant, a train. But then, Mojo Market, then I was like, oh, okay, let me check it out. Dangena, oh, sana, I kind of sole. I went around and I checked ended up buying sliders, beef sliders, and in the sabu smoothie way too. And I chilled there. It was so nice. Now I wanted to take a walk up kwile promenade yalapha, but kuyabanda man. I don't know. And apha iyadinga parking. Okobe ndipake kwi-mall end up ndibhatala like 35 rand. Why funeka ndibhatala 35 rand for a parking? I hate malls ezinyolukela parking son. But yeah, that's that. If I go to the promenade now, I think ndizosokola parking again. So I think it's best uba ndimele ndigoduke. Otherwise, bye for now. Home time. Ngasendibhukishe somewhere son because ndonqena uqhuba. Why after ndizipholeka ngaka funeka ndigoduke? Oh but Sana, I just parked on the side of the road because I'm admiring Cape Town, Sana. World-class city. God snapped. God snapped. This is what I had. Here's kind of wedges, ne sliders. There's three. These wedges, they weren't really nice with too. Yeah, so that's that. And I had a smoothie. My phone died, guys. My phone died, hence I couldn't take enough footage. Apologies. I will do better next time. Let me admire in nature and then eventually go home. I'm gonna fit on these items. Outfit number one. I don't know how I feel. It's out of my comfort zone. Tea and funnel. Let's ask mother-in-law. Mother-in-law, tea and funnel. I like this. I've had this kind of dress before. Let me ask Mama Zala. Hey, fish. I got this bangun. Living in Living Gang, when I come. I can't cool long. Movie party. You're laughing at us. God, this is no matter. Then you're also going to put this slip in again. Okay. You're right. I got it, don't. Show me your Mama Zal. Ngangena ma. Guys, I know besending bonisile phayana ke fitting room, but I want to show you guys again. And the other days I never izavela kakuhle na. Let's try. Dress number 1 and dress number 2. I'm so excited to wear these, Sana. And we bought my husband itching, but I'm really none. And silake sleep. The mistake can be spoon bangas kangela and kangedenzela email. samthengela ne Sana. Basically, all I'm trying to say is having umama Zala, highly recommend. Because what in the cuteness overload is this? She's so cute, man. Like I mentioned, I think I did mention that she bought my husband like 3 shirts, and then she was like, so now next month banza kuthengela noba zilokhu ezimbini kanye ezintathu, because kaloku ngabantwana bam nobayi-2, so afuneka ngibe ngathi ndiyakhela. I was like, oh no, it's fine, you don't have to, don't because really I feel like kudala ndithenge impahla, so it's fine, yabo. And plus andiqhelanga uthengelwa ke ngabanye abantu mna impahla okanye izinto in general. Ndikhule ndithelwa ngumamam izinto, then I got old, then ndazithengela izinto, then ke ndaba relationship, then uluda wandithengela izinto. Those are the only people and comfortable bandithengela izinto, yabo. Unless someone just buys me a gift ke, yabo. Otherwise xa uzondibeka position bafuneka ndi-accept uba yes, let's go buy for me. It's a bit awkward, but I'm so glad that she insisted. Shem okay manje ndikhumbuza so hamba nini sauce ungalibali kaloku sauce besithe sayothenga iloko, and we finally made time. Shem sahamba, just the 2 of us. It was a nice bonding session. Shem, it was really nice, so considerate. Love that for me ke sana. Anyways, enough about ukuqhayisa kwami. Thank you so much for coming back to watch yet another video. Please, can you check it? Take a moment and check if you've liked this video. Take another moment and check if you've subscribe to my channel. Mhlawumbe uyazi ucinga uba usubscribile kanti awukasubscribe, so please just double check, and please just leave me a beautiful comment. Please help me grow this channel. Please help me grow this channel. I would really appreciate it if ungashare nabantu bakho nithi, can you like manpha, can you subscribe manpha kula YouTube channel. But otherwise, from me, Mrs. Makhabeni, thank you so much. Bye for now.